Can you do a full oven and range hood degrease before open house?
Absolutely. We offer professional oven cleaning and range hood degreasing as a standard add-on for our presale cleaning clients. Buyers often check ovens and appliances during inspections, especially in owner-occupied or recently vacated homes. A greasy oven or smelly range hood can seriously affect your home's perceived cleanliness and value. Here's what our oven and range hood service includes: removing built-up grease and grime from oven racks, trays, walls, and doors, cleaning between oven glass panels where accessible, degreasing filters and external range hood surfaces, cleaning control knobs, splashbacks, and cooktop surrounds. We use safe, non-toxic degreasers and elbow grease, not harsh chemicals, to leave your appliances looking and smelling fresh. A spotless oven sends a powerful message. This home is clean, hygienic, and well cared for. It's the kind of detail that elevates buyer trust.